All right, guys. EMSC's page down. I'm able to get through the back door, but they haven't updated much. All right, so let me go to USGS first. USGS said there was a 5.1 Albania region, 7 miles northwest of Vore, Albania, 6 miles in depth. Okay. First came across on the GFC. Hey, Don. Yeah, I'll show you that in a second. Okay. I'm going through the back door. I can't open up the web page. I'm trying. Let's see if it opens. All I'm getting is this. So I'm going through the back door to get it. Okay. Oh, look. It came up. Oh. All right. I'm excited. EMSC's got it at a 5.0. Yes. I can go back to their page. Yes. They've got it at a 5.0 at 6.2 miles in depth, 11 miles north of SHIJAK, Albania. They've got it at Iraq C. Oh, I'm so excited. I missed them. Yay. Wow. I sent them a tweet. Thank you for answering and getting it up. EMSC has it at a 5.0. USGS has got it at a 5.1. Let me pull up GFC, okay? Hang on one second. Looks like something else may have just come across. Hang on. Nicobar Islands, India region. Okay, guys, there may be a second one on this. We'll see. I am opening up GFC's webpage. Hang on. Where do we go? Come on. There it is, 5.1. I am pulling up GFC right now. They've got it at a 5.1. Albania, I'm getting it as large as I can for you. All right, Albania's got it at a 5. GFC's got it at a 5.1. They've got it at 6.2 miles in depth. All right. EMSC's webpage is back. I am very happy. I need something to put up earthquakes that USGS refuses to put up. All right. So now USGS and GFC have got this at a 5.1. Let me check my notes. EMSC, I can get rid of the back door. Believe it or not, GFC started this off with a 5.5, downgraded to a, hang on guys, let me copy this. I'm so sorry. Let me copy this here. Now that EMSC is back, I can go right straight to the page and get rid of the back door, which takes up lots and lots of room. Let me copy GFC. Copy. And put GFC in there because they had it at a 5.5. And I'm going, how am I going to do this? Let me go to the notes because EMSC was down. And I needed another one to go with this. Copy. Let me paste that in here. Paste. Okay, now GFC had it at a 5.5. I do have that link here. And they downgraded it to a 5.1. EMSC, let me go get theirs. I can't. Maybe the tweet will come up now. I don't know. Let me go ahead and pull it up from their webpage. All right. Because going through the back door really not good. All right. Copy. And go through the front door instead. I love that better. All right. So I just showed you GFC has got it at a 5.1. I showed you USGS has got it at a 5.1. Let's start over again. USGS said there was a 5.1. They've got it Albania, 6 miles in depth, 7 miles northwest of Vore, Albania. All right. Now I am going to go to close that one down. I am going to go to EMSC. And I'm going to close. I'm afraid to close it down, but we're going to. close it down. We're going to reopen EMSC and see if they have upgraded or downgraded it. Oh, come on. Please. Thank you. They have got it at a 5.0. Guys, it is going crazy. Believe me, it is going crazy. All right, EMSC's got it at a 5.0 still. All right, disaster alert just kicked in. So let's go to disaster alert. They've got it at a 5.1. Pulling up disaster alert. All right. A magnitude 5.1 at a depth of 6.2 has occurred 12 miles northwest, 12 kilometers northwest of Vore, Albania. They've got that according to the National Earthquake Information Center, NEIC of the USGS. This is a preliminary. Sorry, Samson, I can't play with you right now, sweetie pie. And so we're going to put that in, disaster alert. Disaster alert. Oh, I am so happy EMSC is back. I really, really am. Because I was copying each of these earthquakes by hand out of the back door. All right, so let me copy this and paste it into the description box. And let me go see what the closest earthquake is for this. All right, was able to copy that. All right, so now we've got the closest volcano was 434 kilometers. Let me equal that out for you. Let me equal that out. Where's my calculator? There's my calculator. And we're going to go here. Come on. I don't know what's going on with my phone, but it sure isn't very happy today. 434. That's 269 miles away. Let me write that down, guys, please. Volcano 269 miles away. Let me go see if it's color-coded on that, okay? And then I'll add it all. There was one in Nicobar. USGS has not posted yet. It's just on the GFC and the EMSC. So let me get Albania here. Go to the volcano. Guys, I told you it's going to go crazy today. Something inside of me was just, this is not right. Color code, green, normal, dormant. Let me put that in the notes. Equals 269 equals 269 miles. And it is away, color code, green, normal, dormant. All right. USGS EMSC upgrade for GFC EMSC. I can't get a tweet yet. I have been trying. USGS is there with a 5.1. Disaster alert is there with a 5.1. All right. Let me go back. I'm closing all apps down. Make sure USGS is going to keep it there. I just checked it for Albania. USGS has still got it there as a 5.1. Okay. They've got it, sorry, 7 miles northwest of Vore, Albania, 6 miles in depth. All right, I'm waiting to see if they'll put up the 5.0 that they're saying happened in Timor. So hang on for 1 second. Let me open up US EMSC. We're going to refresh. And we're going to go to, they've still got it at a 5.1, okay? They have got it 11 miles northeast of SHIJAK, Albania, 6.2 miles in depth. Okay? And I showed you GFC. Let me see if anybody else reported on this earthquake. GFC definitely has it as a 5.1. USGS has got it at a 5.1. I'm going to go see if anybody else has got this at a 5.1. And then we'll let you go. Then you'll have the earthquake, the magnitude, both USGS and EMSC. Yes, I know. Let's see who's reporting on that. So far, GFC is the only one reporting on the 5-pointer, Nicobar Island. Let's go to here and go down to Albania. Turkey's got it at a 5.1. Okay, so you got 3 earthquake centers now saying it was a 5.1. Albania. Okay, you got Turkey, USGS, GFC. Let me get to my notes page. And disaster alert. GFC's got it at a 5.1. And we're going to put Turkey in here so you'll know there's 3. KOERI Earthquake Center, Turkey. Come on, paste. I'll tell you what, it's going to be wild tonight with aftershocks. Somebody told me that 7.7 was felt all the way to Florida. All right. I called the news station. They have no information on that. They said, oh, yeah, there was an earthquake. I said, yeah, well, I know that. Any damage done in the region? Was there a tsunami? Oh, we're not sure about that. The news station. Paste. See how much you can depend on them, huh? Okay, I've got EMSC, USGS, disaster alert. I've got Turkey. I have got GFC. They started it at a 5.5, downgraded it to a 5.1. You'll have the closest volcano, which is 269 miles away, color-coded green, normal, dormant. Let me go here. Educational purposes only, adults only. Educational purposes only, adults only. I'm sorry to have to put that in there, guys. That's just, to me, is disrespecting you guys. So we're going to copy this and put it into YouTube now. Copy. Oh, I'm so glad EMSC is back up. Oh, my goodness. Let me show you Turkey. I wanted to show you Turkey before I left. See if I can get this as far as I can get it. All right. This is Turkey. Turkey's got it at a 5.1. Albania, 6.2 miles in depth. All right. So now you'll have Turkey as well. Turkey, GFC, and USGS all have it at a 5.1. EMSC has it at a 5.5. If they change their mind, what's that? Come on. That said it was a 5.1 Cuba.
An earthquake of a 4.0 or higher just occurred. Check it out.
All right, guys, that was Cuba. I'm going to have to hang on for 1 second. Nobody is reporting on the other earthquake GFC has. So we're going to end this broadcast. Let me do some research, and I will get back on that one, which they say is a 5.1 Cuba. And I will get back on the one they said it's off of Timor Island. Okay? Nobody's reporting on that. USGS has not said a word right now. You're going to have disaster alert. You're going to have USGS. EMSC has it at a 5.1. EMSC's got it at a 5.0. Turkey's got it at a 5.1. GFC started it at a 5.5, downgraded it to a 5.1, and now posting. Getting out of YouTube. Closing all apps down. Let me go into USGS and see if they've got the other one, Timor Island region. No, they do not. They got a 4.7 Cuba. Let me go see if they did that or not. Hang on. The only one with the Cuba, there was a 4.9 in Cuba. I've got that. USGS has got it at a 4.7. That'll be in the 5 o'clock report. What's that? Hang on. We're still waiting on USGS to say that happened. All right, guys, I'm going to end this broadcast. MUI 5.3. All right. Okay, cool. Wait a minute. MUI, did you have a 5.3 in Venezuela? Because if you did, it's not showing. All right, I'm going to end this feed, guys. All right. I'm having problems staying online. They're not showing Venezuela at all. All right, guys, I got to go do some research. All right, I will be back. Looks like we may have a 5.1 Cuba again, and I got to go see if it happened or not. All right, God bless. Be safe. Thank you so much for watching. Sending much love. Thank you so much for coming in, Don and Mia. You guys are awesome. Love you both.